Okay, this is a little bit of like a lethal barbecue-ish style video. I'm shooting it on my iPhone here in my formal living room. That's a disaster, so apologies for that. But I always wanted a knife set. Found quite a few different companies, and just the prices of knives were so expensive. And for my birthday, and I'm not gonna say who got them because I don't know if they want to be known that they bought them, but they bought them for me for my birthday. Not only did they get me the knives that I really wanted, but they also got me a steak knife set. So I'm gonna start off with the steak knife set, and then I'm gonna unwrap the set that I really wanted because it's just, I wanted a nice set. A nice knife set. I said that backwards. So let's check these out. So apologies for the purpose of this video. I've already undone the buckles, but this is the steak knife set. They come in like this rolled up leather pouch, which I think is awesome because you can just tighten it up after they're cleaning and store them away in a much smaller position. Especially, these are custom knives in a way, so there's not really a knife block. They might even sell a knife block, I don't know, but the company's called Folded Steel, and I don't know, they look pretty freaking awesome. So this is the 4-piece steak knife set, and again, I didn't necessarily ask for these, but they included them, which is awesome. So when I have friends or family, we do like a nice little dining and I cook meat, I can pull these out and give them to everybody. It just feels, the handle's super nice. Just the quality and detail on these are really nice. It's not like those cheap, doesn't seem like those cheap Chinese knives. I don't know where these come from. And the blade itself, yeah, that feels nice and sharp. What if I have a piece of paper? I'm gonna try to do this. Yeah, like, I'd say that's pretty sharp. I'd say that's pretty good for a steak knife. If not, I do have a knife sharpener, so. But that's the steak knife set, and it's a nice matching set of 4, so super excited about those, mainly because I wasn't even expecting them. But what I do want to show you is unwrapping and checking out the full knife set that I wanted for 1, being able to cut up and prep meat, and 2, be able to slice the meat once it's cooked off the grill, and just feel like I have a nice knife set instead of like a KitchenAid set. Is it needed? Probably not. But is it fun and nice to have like nice knives for when you're cooking and smoking and all that stuff? Heck yeah. So let's check these ones out. So this package was initially wrapped up in paper, but I already took the paper out, but I haven't unwrapped all the knives. So it's a 5-knife set. You can see kind of all the different ones. I'm really excited for this one. This thing's gonna be awesome. So they're wrapped in paper. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I guess I can use my steak knife to cut this. Yeah, I can show it apart. But I mean, the knives are crazy protected and wrapped. Here, I'm gonna set the phone down. So the knives are all bundled together and then individually wrapped. Like, I appreciate when companies do this because your product's not bouncing around, the blades aren't getting chipped up, banged up. Like, here, plastic wrap, bubble wrap, paper wrap. Look at, they even got a paper protecting the blade, which is how they should ship. So I believe this is the 8-inch chef knife, and there should be a 6-inch chef knife, an 8-inch chef knife, a carving knife, a cleaver, and a paring knife. So the downside of them all being individually wrapped. Takes a hot minute to get to all the knives. So yeah, this is the 6-inch chef knife. Ow! I think I just cut myself on the back side. So 6-inch. These are Damascus. I love the way, I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to focus. I love the way the blades look. See the spine of the knife. Like, just These knives are really nicely done. Good quality. The handles are nicely polished. There's no like gaps. Everything's fine. The pins look good. I will say the blue on this full set of knives is a little darker than the blue on the steak knives, but this is the carving knife. I think that's what they call it. Oh snap! Yeah, so you can see it has the really long to protect your finger when you're cutting. So this is a carving knife. Yeah. Nice and sharp. I have no idea what I'm gonna use this cleaver for. I see people with really cool looking cleavers like doing YouTube videos. They use this to slice the meat. Like, I mean, I guess you can. I don't know what else you're gonna use a cleaver for. It seems like something like if you're chopping up maybe pulled pork, or I guess you kind of want to use the mashers for that. Holy cow. Dude, this thing is legit right there. Oh, I'm so, look at, like, I wonder if this is handmade. They have to have machines do this. I mean, I'm sure, I know there's guys out there that can do that, but look how the uniformity and stuff, it's just, it's so quality. And even with my big old mitts, like I'm 6'5", I'm a big guy, like this fits nicely. This is a knife I gotta be careful on. My wife loves using paring knives for all the fruits and everything. If this thing's nicer than her ceramic, I bought her a ceramic one not too long ago, like one of those white ceramic. It works really nice, but unfortunately it stains because she eats strawberries all the time, and good Lord, that thing is sharp. That just slid across my hand and gave me, looked like a paper cut. But here's the paring knife. Nice and big. I mean, that's the biggest paring knife I've ever owned. All my other paring knives are pretty small. Dude, this is like a little, yeah, dick. Okay, I'm not gonna kill somebody, I promise. Let's just go in. So I'm gonna put all the knives where they're supposed to go and kind of just show you how that looks. Looks like a 6-inch chef knife, 8-inch, and the carving knife. Yeah, dude, that looks legit. Yeah, that's, and it rolls up nice and tight, just like a chef's. You always see, I don't know if this is how it is in real life. I've never been an actual chef, but like, they show up to their station and they unroll their knives. They're just like, yeah, let's get to it. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I wish I had some meat to cut up right now to show you that, but this thing is just nice. Folded steel, the presentation is nice. This leather, I mean, it's not like the highest end leather by any means. I'd say it's actually pretty cheap leather, but it's nice enough I don't know what quality it is, but Damascus steel knives, I think I'm okay with this. And at the end of the day, there are much nicer knives out there, for sure, but I didn't think spending $20,000 on knives was ever gonna be an acceptable cost for me in my life and what I do with my family. So I believe this set from Folded Steel is about $600 plus shipping. I think they even had free shipping, I don't know. And then the knife set I think was just under $300, the steak knife set. So I'm excited. These things are legit. I feel like I actually have a proper set of knives instead of the Amazon knives that I've been using that are getting dull. I actually got a sharpener. I'll do a video on that for those of you who may or may not care. I know on the weekends, I've only uploaded a couple lethal barbecue videos, but I'd like to start doing it more often. It's getting even harder now with my diet because I'm not eating nearly as much red meat. But now I'm understanding what kind of meats I can eat that don't have crazy amounts of fat, etc. So, because that's been the hard part, just managing the calories, etc. that come along with it, carbs, fat, and protein. So, filet mignon is just so good, and so is brisket and tri-tip, and yeah, I'm gonna try new things. So I signed up for one of those meat box companies, and I'm just gonna do stuff. I did my first cast iron steak the other day. Turned out amazing. It was just a simple New York strip, and I've never done it before. So teaching myself new things, and hopefully be able to cook better meals and just do better things overall for my family, or gatherings for Lethal Garage, etc. So, and apologies, these arrived and I didn't even shower after the gym, so my hair's a little bit fluffy, but yeah, this is where we're at. So appreciate you guys checking this video out. I know it's not normal Camaro stuff, but for those of you out there who like to barbecue and enjoy cool knives and stuff like that, hopefully this video was fun. Hit that subscribe button for more. Until next time, guys, see you on the road.